Part of being a rock star home stager, which I talked about in my video training the other night, is you have to look the part. And one thing people don't understand when they go through my training versus other trainings that I don't know why they don't offer these kind of things is we offer a lot of things like this in Canva. You get an example as a bonus to you of what this should look like. And it's basically in Canva, it's an open house checklist with showing instructions. And we made it look extra pretty where and we give our members a Canva link so they can basically add this to their Canva, quickly add their company information and their phone number in there. They can also, and this is what I talked about in the training, the importance of branding, they can change the branding colors, I should say. Let's go to this. You guys are on this video, so it's going slow. So that if they don't want this to be gray, let's say your brand colors are pink or peach here, I can change that to peach and hit change all so that now you can see the whole look of this open house checklist. Instead of it being gray, is now peach. And all they need to do then, I'm going too fast, is to change their company information and their phone number. And they see this works as a wonderful flyer to their clients, to their agents to send to clients, and it's a wonderful gift. And another thing that I love about Canva that I give to all my members when we give them their business cards and their brochures and things like this, what I love about it is you can then actually have Canva buy them and they can do the flyers. So they actually, you can do it in a lot of different ways, and but more importantly, just print it out. As just send it to them via email. It's a great gift to give to clients so they can print it out and have it and just quickly refer to it when they need to show their home really quickly. So it's just another example of making you look like a rock star. I talked a lot about this in the workshop. Please watch my replay if you haven't yet. And if you're a member, jump in our Canva templates and grab your free gift. And this is a free gift to show you exactly the kind of things you can create easily in Canva yourself. And now you can print out my example and redo it if you want as a gift. If you're a member, you can just get it in Canva and just change it on the fly. All right, guys, something real quick for you. Hope you enjoy and hope to see you come aboard. Take care.